This is my Binance withdrawal to bank account. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to cash out to Binance using bank. There are some basic things you need to do before you can start processing your withdrawal from Binance. You go to trade, you click on P2P. This is where you are going to withdraw your money from Binance. While withdrawing your money, you have to have the money in one of these cryptos. If your cryptos is not on any of these listed cryptos, you have to do a conversion. For you to convert from one crypto to another, you come to trade, you click convert. This is where you convert from one crypto to another crypto. If your money is in Ocean Cryptos, you click Ocean Crypto, then you select either USDT or BUSD. So the value of this crypto will move to this place so that you can have access to sell the cryptos here. The next thing you need to do that is crucial before you can do transfer is to ensure that you move your money from spot to funding account. Before you can withdraw your money to your bank account on Binance, you can only withdraw from funding account while you are using the peer-to-peer. To move money from your spot account to funding account, you come to your profile picture here, you click wallet, then you can click overview, you click transfer. This is where you do transfer from your spot account to funding account inside Binance. The money is on fiat and spot, that is this $78. You are moving all of them, then you click this arrow. It will move all the money from fiat and spot to funding account, but it's not compulsory you move all the money. You can set the amount you are moving, that is the exact amount you are withdrawing, so you can leave the remaining one on fiat and spot. Then you click confirm. This is BUSD. You can start your withdrawal by going to trade P2P. You can also achieve the same objective by going to your profile page. You click trade, click P2P, that is peer-to-peer. Now this is the environment where you are going to do the transfer to your bank account in your country, in this case in Nigeria, from Binance. The first thing to do is to select the currency of your country. You can see so many currency of different countries here. After setting and indicating that you are selling cryptos, you look at the payment method, you select your bank, then you can see different rate offered by different peers as listed on Binance P2P. My fund is in BUSD, so I'm going to click BUSD. So you should ensure that your money is one of these cryptos before you can sell. You look at the peer that is offering a better rate according to what matches the amount you are withdrawing. So you click, this is the peer that matches the amount you are withdrawing. You can see the time is going to take 15 minutes. You can set your payment method. For security purpose, you are going to approve that you are the one doing the transaction by authorizing the email verification code. Then the next authorization is on your authentication app. You pick that too and paste it to verify you are the one authorizing and setting up bank account detail on your Binance account. This will prevent hacking of your Binance account. So you have to set the amount you are withdrawing out of the money on your cryptos. That is the rate. So out of all this money, you can click or you need to know the worth of your cryptos for you to indicate it in this portion. You can see the exact amount of crypto I'm cashing out is 78 BUSD, and you can see you just click sell BUSD. You are selling 78 BUSD, and that's the amount in Naira. So you've initiated the transfer. You can see you are selling to this pair while the payment is pending. So it is important you know the exact amount you are receiving, the rate, and the cryptos you are selling. That's the quantity. So confirm that payment is made using buyer's real name. So by the time you receive alert, ensure the fund is received by that name. Then you click payment received. You can see by the time you click payment received, you are certain that the exact amount is received. You click it, that you've checked that the payment is from the real person. You click that option too. Then you agree to release the cryptos to the buyer. After you must have received the alert, you check that button too. I agree to release the cryptos. Then you click confirm release when you've seen the money. But that is not all. Before the cryptos can be released finally, you have to authenticate and verify that you are the one releasing the money. So the crypto is successfully sold and your money is received. You now know how to treat your Binance withdrawal to bank account in your country. All you need to do is to follow the step-by-step process as described in this video. You can see you can claim your 100 USD by using the link below the description of this video. The next video will take you through how to get free cryptos, that is crypto mining for free. You can get cryptos for free by watching those videos. Please do me one big favor, subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you for doing that for me. Don't forget to also drop your comment and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.